Hello and welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. This is where we take a look at new and upcoming affiliate marketing products. We parse through the sales page. We try to help you understand what the product is, what the product is alleging it's going to be able to do for you, and ultimately what we want to try and do is help you to determine whether or not any given product is the right product for you. There are products that are just straight out good. There are products that are just flat out bad, but in many cases, it's a matter of finding the products that are going to best suit your own personal approach to trying to establish an online income. So, with that in mind, today we want to take an honest look at Push Profit. Now, Push Profit has been out for, I believe, a little while. It is re-releasing again. That's not unusual for a product. And I figured that we would take a look at this. This is a little different than I think anything else we've got coming out in the immediate future. This is lead generation in a sense. This is providing us with an alternative to email autoresponders. So if you're not overly familiar with the way online marketing works, one of the biggest things we want to do in establishing an online presence is to have some way of routinely and easily connecting with the people who are interested in the products that we sell or the services that we promote or just keeping up to date with us. We want to be able to communicate with our audience, with our tribe, however you want to think about that. Email has, for obvious reasons, become the biggest and most commonly used technique to do this. And you'll see a lot of people talking about autoresponders and building an email list. Push Profit, quite simply, is going to both... It's going to give us some training, but predominantly what it's doing is it's going to provide us with a software. Instead of using an autoresponder, it's using push notifications. And if you don't know what push notifications are, you've almost certainly seen them. Basically, you'll sign up someplace, and instead of getting an email, you're going to get something that basically just pops up on, it could be your phone, could be your laptop, whatever, that has the update information, links, pictures, whatever, directly in it, and will enable you to go and get more information almost instantly. So there's actually a pretty solid, this is about I think it's about 11-minute video up here. It's actually a good video because it's not a ton of hype. It's actually a fair bit of explanation as to how the service works, and talking about some of the problems that potentially can be experienced with email marketing or with autoresponders anyway, which is legitimate. So the software is going to give you instant one-click subscription. You don't have to deal with autoresponders, and you get very high open rates because the tendency with most people is to click almost instantly on the notification. This is not a massive sales page. This is about 90% of the entire page. So this is going to be retailing for $17 US. You've got a couple of additional bonuses here. And that's honestly most of the site. So it's still going to let you build a list. It's going to help you generate daily traffic, weekly traffic, whatever, as often as you choose to use it. And you can, basically when you've got a lead, when you've got a new product, when you've got whatever, if you're doing it. And now one of the things I like about the idea of push notifications, it's very similar to email, except that again you can make it stand out more, right? When you receive an email, it doesn't matter who you get the email from. The email looks the same as everybody else's email until you open it. So it's all about getting a really good tagline and hoping that people see it, hoping it doesn't go to a promotions folder. You're hoping it doesn't get sent to spam or something like that. The nice thing about a push notification, you can put an image in there, you can put links in there, you can, and it's going to be eye catching because when it shows up, you're not going to just see this little line of text. You're going to see whatever you decide to put into your push notifications, so you can make it eye catching. If you are an affiliate marketer, if you've got an online, whatever your stream is, you can almost certainly use this. You can use this if you have an online store, or even if you don't have an online store. Realistically, you can have a conventional brick and mortar store and have a subscription list of people. And instead of paying a lot of money for flyers or conventional printed promotional materials, you can simply put out a push notification and say, hey, we're doing a sale today, or hey, here's a new product that we got in today, or hey, we're doing such and such an event, or we're going to try this. You can instantly communicate with everybody who's in your database. You can get people talking about your store. You can get people talking about your products. You can do a lot with this. And then obviously, if you've got an online store, or if you're moving, commission affiliate products or whatever you're doing, you can use this to say to people, hey, here's my new thing today, or hey, here's a great deal that you should know about. It's only up for a little while. And instead of waiting for people, I get emails that sometimes I don't see for days just because I get busy, and I'm just kind of scanning over the important stuff. And sometimes it's, oh, hey, I missed that. Hopefully that wasn't important. So push notifications is going to get around a lot of that. And notifications are, they are genuinely, I think, starting to catch up. Push notification services are typically very expensive. So one of the things that this service is offering us, Push Profits is telling us that we've just got a one-time fee of $17. Just as we're going down the sales page here, we've got all this. And anybody who's watched my videos, I never really pay a lot of attention to this because we don't know where this came from. They're good-looking numbers. Obviously, wouldn't it be lovely for most people to make $73,000 in a month? Results come in fast. Yes. Now, a few honest things. You still need a website, or you still need some way to promote yourself in order to get people to sign up for your notifications. Okay, just like with an email marketing, but this is actually a very affordable service. $17, and as near as I can tell, there are no upsells on this. There's no one-time offers. There's no, hey, you bought this for $17. Hey, buy this for $47, and then buy this for another $197. As near as I've been able to tell, this is selling for literally just $17, gets you the whole thing. So there's no real reason for me to do a long video on this. I've said I'd really like to bring you guys good, solid products, and this, I think, is going to come across as one of those. $17. We never want to say, hey, buy it just because it's only $17. However, it is fair to say that $17 is a fairly small amount, I think, for pretty much anybody to invest. Again, this isn't going to be your business. Okay, Push Profit. If you don't already have an idea, if you don't already have a product, if you don't already have something to do to make money online, Push Profit will not do anything for you. However, again, if you have, doesn't matter if you're selling ebooks or coloring books or audio, video, affiliate marketing products, tangible products, you could be selling t-shirts or whatever. It really doesn't matter what you're doing to make money, or again, even just self-promotion. If you're a musician or an artist and you're trying to get some better exposure, you want people to be aware of when you put out a new song or a new piece of art or new video, whatever it might be. Even, I'll be honest, even if you're a community group, you could be a community group or a church or even a small. Basically, anybody can benefit from this. You can say, "Hey, reminder that we're having this event." So $17. If you compare this to the cost of autoresponders, if you compare this to the cost of most other push notification services, certainly if you compare it to the cost over the course of, say, a year of traditional mail, there's no way that really you don't save money on this. So I do strongly recommend you at least take a look at the sales page. I think if you're looking at this, you're probably already set up to have some kind of an online income. You probably have some kind of product or idea. And Push Profit is, again, it's a very affordable way to instantly connect with the people who want to hear from you. So I am going to strongly recommend you check this one out and hope that it works out very well for you. There is a link in the description. Just by way of fair notice, yes, if you purchase the product through the link in the description, I will receive a commission. However, that does not keep me from giving something a weak or poor review. The goal here is to provide honest reviews of products. And I think in the next few days, if I can, I think there's one or two that I'm not sure are going to get a spectacular review coming up, but we'll see what happens with those. Anyway, I hope that is useful to you guys. Check out Push Profit through the sales page. Take a look and see if you think it's a good product for you. And hopefully we'll see you back here again soon. Thanks a lot, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day.